Hey, my name's Mark and I'm the developer of Shareshot. We're really pleased to announce that we have a Mac version available in the App Store now with all the features of the iPhone, iPad and Vision Pro release with some extras added to make it feel at home on the Mac. So let's have a look at the first of those. It will detect newly captured screenshots on the Mac by monitoring your screenshots folder. So let's have a look at that. Go. So let's capture a full screen screenshot to make this easy. Because I'm using Loom, it's going to include me, but we can live with that. There we go. Let that save. Get out of this. We go back to the Shareshot and you'll see it picks up the new screenshot automatically. We choose it. It's automatically framed in the correct frame. And say we want to put that into Keynote. We can just bring up Keynote over here. Where are we? There we go. Just drag that through. We could copy and paste or open and save if we wanted to. We need to edit the mask because for some reason Keynote doesn't have a fit option. And there we go. That looks beautiful. So another thing we can do is we can pull in screenshots from photos. iOS device screenshots will sync automatically through iCloud Photos in the screenshots folder. So we can choose one that we've taken before on my watch, for example. There we go. And we could style this and change the strap if we wanted. Let's go for that one there. And now if we go to Keynote and back again, we can drag that through, drop that in. There we go. Now it looks a bit rough. There's no shadow to give it a bit of depth. So we could either do that in Keynote or we could include it in the screenshot from Shareshot. So there we go. Add that, drop it in, now we have a shadow. So another thing we can do is take a screenshot that's just been synced via iCloud and use that. So if we switch back to the app, I'm going to take a screenshot here on my phone. Here we go, watch, boom. Let's speed it up a little bit by making it save it. So now you can see it's already synced, iCloud's picked it up, the app has detected it, we can just replace it. And there we go. And for this one, imagine we're going to share it via social media, which is something we do a lot. We can put it in a square composition. We can choose the blurred background if we like, or we can use custom images. We can choose from all of these. We have solid colors as well. But we can also go to, say, one of our predefined backgrounds and then tweak it a little. So we can change the color to suit us, and then we can bring it over into an app like Croissant, which is great for cross-posting to multiple social networks. You just drag it over. Here we go. Let's say, here's my new lock screen. Yay. So something else we can do is take a partial screenshot and apply a background and round the corners to it. So let's try that. Well, let's imagine that we're going to write some documentation about Keynote. So here's Keynote. Let's capture just the window of that one. I'm going to hold Option to not include a shadow. There we go. Go back to Shareshot. It's picked it up. There we go. So we can put that to fit the frame and then put a background back on it if we like. So we wanted to have a nice orange background with some lighting. And then we could bring, where are we? Let's bring up the Pages document. Go back to Shareshot, here we go, drag it over, drop it in. There we go. What's also nice on the Mac is we have menus and keyboard shortcuts you'd expect on a good Mac app. We have some for swapping between backgrounds quickly and output formats. We also have some toolbar customization, so you can choose your preferred import and export actions and have them readily available. So this one will save instantly to a file. This one would save to photos. You may not want to use the share on the Mac, so you can just get rid of that. Thank you for watching. We hope you like it.